Hi and welcome to 12 Cards of Christmas 2019 series, and today we're going to make a side panel card. Really easy card to make, but has a striking effect. So let's put these squares aside and start with our long piece. And we're going to score it lengthwise at 1/2 inch. Just making sure that's in the right place. So 1/2 inch, 2 inches, slide it to the left, 1/2 inch, 2 inches, 4 inches, and 5.5 inches. And then we can go ahead and bring the second largest piece and again score it lengthwise at 1/2 inch and 2 inches. So that's all the scoring that we need. We can now go ahead and fold them all in the same direction. Always use your bone folder to burnish the folds. This card is going to stand, so it's extra important for all the folds to be really neat and strong, because it affects the card itself, how it works. Let's fold that one too. Okay, so now it's really easy to assemble. You apply glue to that little tab on the edge, that 1/2 inch tab, and then form a square from the bottom part of the folded paper and attach it to the back side of the card. It should be a square like this. Just make sure that it's properly aligned and glued. If you fold it down like this, it will take its place. It will move a little bit and find the right place that it needs to be. And then the other piece, again, you apply the glue. Before that, of course, I forgot, you need to put your matte paper or your backing paper to the back side of the card. I apologize for that. Of course, you don't have to. This is optional. You can use just one piece of cardstock, but I thought it would be a little bit more colorful. So just fold it down, flatten it on the back side of the card, and then it will go to its right place. And then take your smaller piece and attach it, the cover paper, to the front side of the other folded card. And then apply glue to the little tab and to the bottom part of the front panel, and simply attach it. Again, fold it down, flatten it, and then it will slide to its right place like that. Make sure that everything is in 90 degrees by flattening it. Once you flatten it, then it will slide like this. And the fun part of this card, that you can flatten it and put it in an envelope. So now you can add whatever embellishments you want to the front, and you have a really beautiful card that is also great for presentation, to put on your mantelpiece, on your shelf. It's really fun, or anybody who gets it, of course, can do the same thing. So this is the final card of the 12 Cards of Christmas 2019 series. Thank you very much for joining me. You can get the free printable guide in the description under the video for all the measurements of all the cards. And I'll see you next time.